So many people are swearing by this Dr.Althea 345 cream for acne prone skin, and the before and afters are just looking crazy. So what's actually in this formula that's giving those results? Spoiler alert, I did give it a try. It is amazing, but it's definitely not for everyone. 345 actually stands for what's in the formula. 3 ingredients for relieving acne, 4 ingredients for nourishing the skin, and 5 ingredients for soothing care. For breakouts, it's got niacinamide that controls excess oil production, and resveratrol, which is a very powerful antioxidant, and it also stops the growth of bacteria, which is responsible for acne. Secondly, a big cause for breakouts is actually a weakened skin barrier, which is why it's got 4 nourishing ingredients to rebuild and protect the skin barrier from bacteria. And finally, whenever there's breakouts, there's typically inflammation and redness around the area. That's why the formula's got centella and a bunch of plant extracts to soothe and calm down the skin. But what's really unique about this is the lightweight gel cream hybrid texture. It absorbs so quickly, it's not greasy, and it just leaves the most gorgeous glow behind. After finishing this entire tub, I definitely really loved it, but it's not for everyone. So if you want a part 2 where we go into more detail, then definitely leave a comment below.